back to my channel. So today we are going to be tackling this hair. My plan is to cut my hair into a modern shaggy mullet. That's what they're called. If you don't know what a modern shaggy mullet is, I will attempt to insert a picture here. I've watched a few tutorials and I think it should be pretty easy, so that's what we're going to be doing today. You do not want to cut dry hair as far as I know, so my hair is only dry for the intro while I explain what I'm doing. So I bought hair scissors specifically for this video. I did not have hair scissors before. In the past, I've just chopped my hair up with some, you know, kitchen scissors, which yes, I know you're not supposed to do. But I did buy some hair scissors and we are going to be attempting to cut my hair into a shaggy mullet. So this is how my hair looks now. I do have some pieces that kind of frame my face here, which initially is what I did after I dyed it red. If you want to see how I dye my hair and how I bleach my hair, I have a few videos. My last video is how I bleach my roots. As you can see, my roots are already growing back in and it hasn't even been a month yet. So, but if you want to see that video, I'll link that somewhere here and in the description. This is what my hair looks like. It's just blah. And this is the back. That's what the back of my hair looks like. So without further ado, I will go and wash up this hair and I will come back with wet hair. I am back. I put a little bit of makeup on because, yeah, my skin's not been that great lately. But yeah, so here's my hair. Naturally, it's really curly. Without further ado, I'm going to section off my hair. I'm not really going to put the video here at the same time, the video that I watched, because I watched quite a few of them and I looked at different ways to do it. So I will link all the videos I watched in the description box for anyone who wants to look at them, professional and non-professional. I just didn't want to put the video in here anywhere, so I'm just going to say it as I go. So I've sectioned it off, so these two pieces in the back. My hair is already starting to dry. I was just like, oh, it needs to be wet so that I can cut it properly and nothing comes out uneven. Yeah, I'm going to section out my bang area and we'll go from there. I found a tiny comb. I did not have a tiny comb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let me brush this back out first. My hair tangles pretty easily, which is normally why I only have videos of my hair straight, because when it's curly it just tangles up really easily. So I'm going to take a thin section from here. Well, first I'm going to make a guideline as to how I want this. So I'm going to pull this forward. And then make sure I get all the hair for this section. And then I'm going to take this and put it back. And I'm going to take the section I just come forward and I'm going to pull it away from the head. Actually, I think you're supposed to pull it forward. supposed to pull it forward and cut down, I think. Yeah, so the longer parts go that way. Okay. At least that's what I'm gonna try. So, yeah. So I have finished the left side of my head. I just pinned it up so it's not in the way. And now I'm going to essentially do the same thing to the right side of my head, which you might not be able to see all too well because my mirror is over here and I need to face this way, which means you won't really be able to see it. But I'm going to chop this side up, and when I finish, my hair is not going to be dry yet, and also it's not going to be styled because right now it looks a little crazy because my natural curl pattern is like this. So I will come back to you guys tomorrow to show you the final look. I did the other side. Does it look mullet yet? Does it look shaggy? Yeah, I think it does. I'll definitely like it better once it's dry and once I've styled it. So yeah. Yeah. My hair dried so quickly. I sprayed it with water just to continue cutting it, and it still dried really, really, really quickly. So yeah. Yeah. We'll see the finished result tomorrow. Okay, I am back and my hair is dry and styled, and it looks a little bit different, but not by much. I did enjoy the layers I cut into it. I believe that the layer on this side is shorter than what's on this side. It also came out a little fluffier, but this is the overall like finished look. I really, really do like it. I really just wanted a lot of framing pieces for my face. I did not want the full-on mullet. Like, if you've ever really seen a mullet, that's not really what I wanted. And I feel like I played it a little safe because I didn't want to cut too much off and then have to wear a beanie for the next couple weeks. So yeah, this is my finished hair. I think it does kind of look like the reference pictures. I think it looks very 80s and I really, really do love it. It's definitely my favorite kind of style right now. Anytime I saw someone with this kind of hair, I really wanted it. I like it. I really, really like it. So that's it for this video. I will leave the links to the videos that I watched down in the description. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Feel free to give this video a like and subscribe if you ever want to see this face again. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!